Hello everyone. Today we're going to solve a problem on solar radiation. So before proceeding into this problem, we must know what are the terms we have here. So one is phi L, so latitude location. So omega, it is our angle. S, which is called as slope. So theta Z, that is the zenith angle. Delta, that is called declination angle. Gamma S is the solar azimuth angle. Alpha, that is the altitude angle. So after knowing these symbols, what are they? So we are going to solve this problem. What is the first problem? So here we are going to calculate the sun altitude angle, which is alpha. And next we are going to calculate azimuth angle, which is gamma s. So at 40° north latitude at 3:30 p.m. IST Indian Standard Time in November 21st. So for this data, we are going to calculate sun altitude angle and azimuth angle. So now coming to this problem solution. So here we are going to note down the things which is already given. So that is the latitude. Latitude here I say that is 5. So latitude is 5, that is 40° north. Time is 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and day is November 21st. So according to this November 21st, the n value will be 325. So how it comes to 325 means very simple. N is equal to, so the number of days. So starting from January. So January, assume that we have 31 days. Next followed by February, February 28. Next March 31. Next is April, assume it as 30. After January, February, March, April. So next is May, 31. May, after May, June, June, after June, July, assume it as 31. After July, August, 30. August, after that August, we have September. So 31, October, 30, November. After October, next is November. In the November, we have only 21 days. So plus 21. If you add all these things, you will be end up with 325. Very simple. Okay, so 325. Now, after calculating this n value as 325, next we will come to the first term which we need to find. That is the declination angle. Declination angle. So in this declination angle, how to calculate, that is delta. So declination angle here I said no, so that is delta. So delta, to calculate that, the formula is 23.45 into sine of 360 by 365 into 284 plus n. So n value is how much? So 325. So just substitute here in the formula and find it. So the answer will be 20.44. Very simple, but please keep it in mind. So while doing it in the calculator, you should keep it in degrees. So after calculating the declination angle, which is come around minus 20.44. So next we need to find sun azimuth angle, which is nothing but gamma s. So gamma s we need to find. Yes, we have the formula sun azimuth angle gamma s, that is sin gamma s is equal to secant alpha into cos gamma, sorry, cos delta into sin omega. So here secant alpha can be written as 1 by cos alpha. Okay. So this formula is going to reduce like this: cos delta into sin omega divided by cos alpha. But alpha, it is nothing but altitude angle, which is not given. So to find this alpha, we will come to this cos theta z, because alpha is nothing but 90 minus theta z. Theta z is nothing but zenith angle. Okay. So we will find theta z first. After that, we will substitute in this formula, and then we will be getting the altitude angle. So what is the formula to calculate theta z, which is nothing but the zenith angle? So cos theta z is equal to sin delta into sin phi plus cos delta into cos phi into cos omega. So here delta is the declination angle, phi is the latitude. But what about this omega? Omega is the upper angle. How to calculate that omega upper angle? So in the problem, they have given 3:30 p.m. IST Indian Standard Time. So to calculate this omega, we are going to assume that 15 degrees is equal to 1 hour. So that means 3 hour plus 30 minutes. We are going to split this 3:30 p.m. into 3 hour plus 30 minutes. So this 3 into 1 hour, which is nothing but 3 into 15 degree plus 30 minute, 30 divided by 60. So 30 divided by 60, that will be equals to 0.5 hour. So 0.5 hour, 0.5 into 1 hour. So 0.5 1 hour is equal to 15. So it becomes 7.5. So 45 plus 7.5, that is 52.5. That is the omega value. Okay. After getting that omega value, just substitute in this formula. What is that formula? As I said, sin delta, sin phi plus cos delta, cos phi, cos omega. So delta value is minus 20.44. Phi value is 40 degree, which is given in the problem. So omega value just we have calculated 52.5. Substitute in this equation. When you get, after substituting that, you will be getting with cos theta z is equal to 0.2125. So theta z is equal to cos inverse of this value, 0.2125. So you will be getting the zenith angle as 77.73. After getting this zenith angle, just substitute here. When you substitute here, 90 minus 77.73, the alpha value, which is nothing but sun's altitude angle, will be coming around 12.27 degree. After getting this alpha value, substitute here. Okay, substitute here alpha. So our delta value here I have given. So delta is equal to minus 20.44, omega is equal to 52.5, alpha is equal to 12.27. So substitute this value in this formula and you will be getting sin gamma s will be equals to 0.7607 and sin inverse of this value will be coming around 49.53, which is nothing but zenith angle. Okay, sun's zenith angle. Sorry, it is nothing but, so you will be getting, so after substituting all this value into this formula, you will be getting the azimuth angle, sun azimuth angle as 49.3. Okay, so thank you. We will meet with another problem in the next session.